Yo, 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 I think I'm live. I'm not too sure at this point. I think I'm live, yeah. Yep, there I am. Indeed. Over here, look at me, fucking floating around and shit. Gotta get some water, low key. Don't worry, I'm not naked. I got fucking pants, all that shit. It's kind of fucking weird now that I think about it, but yeah, I'm literally chilling right now. It's like 11 p.m. Gonna take a trade tomorrow. I have a shit trade right now, but it's because I'm fucking trading Bitcoin. Never trading Bitcoin again. It's fucking dog shit. You can never predict what Bitcoin's doing. If the fucking normal futures are risky, and Bitcoin takes it to a whole nother level. And we don't really have any red news tomorrow, so. But it's gonna be pretty static tomorrow though. So I'm expecting during PM session, I mean AM session, New York AM session, I'm expecting red folder news. So orange folder news and hold up. Feels weird right now, but yeah, tomorrow I'm expecting. Let me check that. It's all good. It's all good. I got my notes right here. I don't like this part of the song. I'm just chilling right now. You know what I'm saying? On some cool, calm, collected shit. Yeah. Like 11 p.m. right now. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. It's just watching the charts, trying to get better every single day. You know what I mean? You know the drill. How it goes, how it normally flows, how we do it. Call me Ice Cube because I do it the way I do it. Yes sir. And as you can see, we're using this auto flow. I'm trying to take this trade, so that's why I entreat over here, because this is considering auto flow, this leg right here. But at this point, I'm not too sure about this trade because it's fucking crypto, and I don't want to ever touch crypto again.
Look, I'm not saying I think he's.
I think just came back to rebalance price.
All this shit is subjective.
Right
it's
here.
like asking
That's why I
someone who
entreat
loves
from
rap to have an open ear about heavy metal.
targeting these eyes,
You don't like
because it's gotta
something, don't mean
balance
it
this
ain't
shit
good.
out and then like
We're
sell
all
off
entitled
for a
to our
while.
opinions, Kai. You just don't gotta be a dick about it.
I'm not being a dick about it.
We got a weekly bias of bullish and a daily bias of bullish. Daily bias, manipulation, weekly bullish,
Potato, man.
and daily bullish.
Inception alone is one of the craziest stories ever in cinema.
And on
2
4 hour,
words, Pulp Fiction.
Of
you
course.
see that there is
it's
a
classic.
probability up here, so it's
I'm
gonna
just
use,
saying.
it's gonna
can't
take
we
these highs and then
agree to
manipulate this further.
If humanity could have done that, we wouldn't be
Okay,
floating through the
it's gonna
network
manipulate
looking
this
for a
high
habitable
and then go
planet.
lower towards this fair value gap. You see that's supposed to go towards whatever the hell, the weekly draw basically. So overall we have a bullish bias, so it's gonna go higher. What's that? Man. Let me see what's going on. Need some water, low key. Need some water. Yes, sir. Need some water. But yeah, I'm trying to hit this TP goal right here, up here, and see where things go, I guess. Because I'm not trying to overthink this. Because if you overthink something, that's when things are not gonna go your way. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can see this right here. We're using this level as demand, and I entered off this demand level right here. I should have just entered off the candle because there was a change in state of delivery. But I mean, what am I saying? This was literally just the normal flow. So yeah, we have the change in state of delivery right here. So as you can see right here, engulfs this candle, boom, higher.
I'm just saying there's no way in
Nolan
hell
is
Nolan is a
better
better
than
director than Tarantino.
Potato, man.
Potato,
Inception alone is
potato,
one of the
man.
craziest stories ever in cinema.
So as you can see, it reclaims the order block. We have a
Pulp
bullish
Fiction.
bias, and we have this order flow right here. That's why I'm using this
I'm
as my
just
stop
saying,
loss, going
can't
higher
we
towards
agree
TP.
to disagree?
Easy.
If
Okay,
humanity could have done that,
we
we
go
wouldn't be
towards this.
floating through the
That's what I'm
network
doing
looking
right
for a
here, as you
habitable
can see.
planet.
Even though we're in a loss, I'm just gonna hold this, see how it plays out. It's alright. Alright, let me see what's going on here. Wait, let me put on some like lo-fi. Let me put on some like yeah, basically he kept landing on me. Why am I seeing this shit on my screen? I don't know why the fuck I'm seeing that shit, but yeah. So right now I gotta watch this, see what this video is about.
Highly requested topic, and that
Let's see how they approach.
in this
public
video,
speaking.
I'm gonna cover a highly requested topic.
Now I wanna low-key just lock in on like fucking studying. I was watching a video. I was trying to make this stream like a fucking chill stream, you know, where I just like don't focus on trading and I just focus on like chilling. You know what I'm saying? But clearly not. But let's see.
Days it's been obvious every single fucking day.
I gotta get some water. Hold up. Let me get some water real quick. Fucking chill. Yes, sir. Alright, we back. We're back, man. Got my fucking hair, bro. Like, look at this. Got so much hair right now. Like, I gotta fucking get a haircut. I swear to God. Like, trying to get a haircut, like, in like a few weeks type shit. But yeah. As of right now. Oh, God. But yeah, as of right now, I'm trying to like sort of fucking digest this as much as possible and just lock in on this overall, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, right now I gotta make sure I'm like on track with this shit. What the fuck was that? Alright, let's get it.
Okay, so again, market open. When we speak about 15-minute liquidity, what are we able to do? We're able to scale down into the 1 minute and execute off that. We weren't able to do that today because we had to wait for the macro and we also had to wait for news. News comes out. We go into the high time frame imbalance and we also take out that 15-minute draw liquidity, but overall we come into the high time frame. To wait for again, market open when we speak about this shit because it's like the past 3 days it's been obvious every single fucking day. Okay, so again, market open. When we speak about 15-minute liquidity, what are we able to do? We're able to scale down into the 1 minute and execute off that. We weren't able to do that today because we had to wait for the macro and we also had to wait for news. News comes out. We go into the high time frame imbalance and we also take out that 15-minute draw liquidity, but overall we able to do that today because we had to wait for the macro and we also had to wait for news. News comes out. We go into the high time frame imbalance and we also take out that 15-minute draw liquidity, but overall we come into the high time frame. What do we know about the high time frames? We're going to want to wait for what? 5-minute or 15-minute retrace. What do we get? We come up, we fill in.
Yeah, so we have a change in state of delivery right there. As you can see right here, we have a continuation of the change in state of delivery. As you can see, we have this order flow leg right here, which is being used as a support level. So overall, we have this order flow following around, even though this is like directly coming from here. We pull back here, and then we're gonna go higher towards whatever the drawn liquidity is. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. I don't really give a fuck, but yeah, you get the point.
That 4-hour imbalance rather fully, if I do say so myself, and then what do we get?
Let me see.
We come up, we fill in that 4-hour imbalance rather fully, if I do say so myself, and then what do we get? 5-minute leg down. Oh, is this when we should be shorting? No. That's not when we should be shorting. Say so myself, and then what do we get? 5-minute leg down. Oh, is this when we should be shorting? No. That's not when we should be shorting. What do we need to wait for if we're trying to take a short or even a long off of a high time frame imbalance or draw liquidity? 5-minute or 15-minute retrace. What do we get? 5-minute SMTC off the retrace. 5-minute SMTC off the retrace. Oh my days. When we see that, what are we looking to do? That's when we can scale down. We got the 5-minute retrace. Bet off the retrace. We get 5-minute SMTC off the retrace, imbalance, or draw on liquidity. 5 minute or 15 minute retrace. What do we get? 5 minute SMT ski off the retrace. 5 minute SMT ski off the retrace. Oh my days. When we see that, what are we looking to do? That's when we can scale down. We got the 5 minute retrace. Bet. Off the S&P, break of structure after the 5 minute retrace. 5 minute. What are we looking to do? That's when we can scale down. We got the 5 minute retrace. Bet. Off the S&P, break of structure after the 5 minute retrace. 5 minute SMT ski. Oh my days. We got the 5 minute retrace. Bet. Off the S&P, break of structure after the 5 minute retrace. 5 minute SMT ski. Oh my days. Boom. Fair value gap being filled. Break of structure. Short that bitch. Boom. Stops above the candlestick. Baby food. Boom. First strong liquidity. Seek and destroy method on these lows. That bitch. Boom. Stops above the candlestick.
You can destroy is basically like you seek liquidity, you destroy it. Manipulate it, destroy it. You seek liquidity. I mean, you manipulate, seek liquidity, manipulate, and then manipulate, destroy it. You seek liquidity, destroy it. Seek liquidity, destroy it. So I always just like a destroy is basically a sweep. And let's see what's going on here.
5 minute retrace. Bet. Off the S&P. Break structure after the 5 minute retrace. 5 minute S&T ski. Oh my days. Boom. Fair
You see this fair value gap right here? It's been retested.
value gap being filled. Break structure.
Puts this stop loss right above the fucking fair value gap. I'm not too sure if that's like the best approach to be taking over here, but I guess he takes random fucking trades.
Short that bitch. Boom. Stops above the candlestick. Baby food. Boom. First round liquidity. Seek and destroy method on these. Short that bitch. Boom. Stops. Candlestick. Baby food. Boom. First round liquidity. Seek and destroy method. Short that bitch. Boom. Stops above this candlestick. Baby food. Boom. First round liquidity. Seek and destroy method on these lows. Second.
What lows? Oh, these lows. Okay. Okay, I'll take this picture. See this shit right here? We TP right here, and then we have the stop loss right here at this high swing, and we have the entry of this fucking order block. Why would I entry off that? This is the okay, whatever. We have like a 1 to 2, I think. I guess it's like a 1 to 2. Not too sure. Yeah, we got like a 1 to 2 here. We have 1 to 2 RR. 1 to 2 risk to reward. So let me just grab this real quick.
Second draw.
Why can't I speak, bro? Like my fucking throat keeps cutting.
Draw on liquidity.
What the fuck? Like literally, what the fuck? You know?
I mean, fuck it. These 15 minute lows. Oh my days. Third, potentially here. Fourth, maybe all the way down here.
No. No, this guy's gambling. I'm not too sure if I should be looking at TJR's examples for real examples, because this guy is just gambling at this point. I get that there are equal lows here, but why the fuck would you take it all the way towards Narnia? This is basically setting yourself up for failure. You could get like a clean 1 to 4 and just fucking get out of the market. Look, it just displaces like that, and you're being a retard enough to hold it further even after you like retrace back. You're breaking structure, you have a bullish bias over here. You're using this fair value gap, you're tapping back into this fair value gap, and you're going higher. Like, what the fuck? Like, why would you take it inverse? Like, what kind of stupid shit is that? I don't know.
Oh my days. Perfection. NASDAQ smoking on that gas.
Like, why are you going for these lows, bro? Like, this is some... Okay, this is NASDAQ, I get that, but, you know. So he's following NASDAQ, so he's basically following the convergence with NASDAQ, because NASDAQ is going lower and lower and lower. So obviously, yes, he's following, so that's what he's following. Which is not that bad of an approach, but I'm not too sure if that's, like, the best thing to do. Because if you miss something on NASDAQ, you could literally take it on like ES. Because ES is literally gonna follow along. It's gonna be like, hey, hello. I'm just a little delayed, maybe a little autistic, but you know, we get the job done. Oh fuck, this is basically US 30. So as you can see, this is NASDAQ right here, and we have Dow Jones right here, and we have S&P. So why does S&P and okay, all three of them look the same? Because they're frozen in time. So we have a bullish bias. As you can see, if we have a bullish bias over here, it's going to retrace all the way towards the drawn liquidity, as you can see, almost at least. Right, but right here you can see that with that confirmation, we will have a bullish bias S&T, right? Okay, let me draw the S&T line below. Don't worry, guys, I'm not drawing fucking trend line liquidity. Okay, so this is basically we have a trend line liquidity as well if you want to look at it like that. But I cannot entry again though. I could target this because we have order flow. Target this as TP. Let's take a 1 to 3.2. Because we will follow along. Because look at this. This went and hit TP on DJ. So we have this SMT right here. So obviously we have a convergence when it comes to SMT. So as you can see, there's a SMT draw right here. And we have a... Where the fuck is this? What is ES doing? What kind of bullshit is this, low-key? Like, I get that I use this fucking fair value gap over here. But look at this consolidating as market. Look. Shit is balls, I swear to God. Take this all the way towards this fucking TP. 2.2. That's like a little risk to reward. I have no idea why anyone would take this. But I'm confident about the fucking NASDAQ trade, though it's gonna like sort of pull back. Please pull back. If it fucking pulls back, I'm taking this shit for sure. Like, I'm taking this exact trade towards like the swing. As you can see, we have the manipulation right here. And we have this manipulation over here as well. So we have this swing right here, which is the sell-side liquid draw. We have manipulation, we have distribution like right after. It taps back into a fair value gap, entry there, and then go towards the buy-side liquid draw. It's just this swing high right here. Anyways, it's basically the supply level. It's on an order block though. It could be an order block. Yeah, it is an order block. I'm actually fucking stupid. See that shit? There's a fair value gap right after. So you could use that as an order block. Right there. Use that shit. Spit on it. You know, some hot type shit. But yeah.
What are we looking for? S&TC, 5-minute retrace after filling in the high time frame imbalance. 5-minute retrace, scale down.
Hold up.
What are we looking for? S&TC, 5-minute retrace after filling in the high time frame imbalance. 5-minute retrace, scale down. We got the 5-minute retrace. Now what are we looking for? Executions. Breaking structure on the 1 minute. Fair value gap getting filled. Short that bitch. Stops above these highs. Or sorry, stops above this candle high. Flood of the face. Flood of the face. Seek and destroy. Bing, bing. Goodbye. Then what? Bing, bing, bing.
Yeah, so he's basically following NASDAQ. And NASDAQ is indicating the fact that we're bullish. So fucking go bullish. You know what I mean? So honestly, if it retraces back here, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I have less faith in this. So I'll probably entry somewhere like, even if I get like a 1 to 3, that's like, nah, I cannot get this anymore. So I'm going to continue this.
Low resistance, sell side liquidity. I'm horny.
Yeah, look at that low resistance, sell side liquidity. Fucking huge, quick run. If it's low resistance, it's basically a quick run towards one side. If it's high resistance, that means you see a lot of consolidations and it's just basically very, very, very slow. Alright? Very, 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 very fucking slow. That's the definition. You don't need to know too much about this bullshit. Some people exaggerate this, like it's like, oh, but you look for like fucking. Shut up. It's basically just how fast the fucking market flows. If it goes from sell side liquidity to buy side liquidity at a faster pace, that's basically a low resistance liquidity run. If it goes at a weaker pace, or if it takes fucking 10 years to hit sell side liquidity from buy side liquidity or vice versa, boom, that's a high resistance liquidity run. Boom. You literally have the textbook definition. People exaggerate. They say that like, oh, but it goes for this consolidation I saw and it does a fucking inverse decall pattern in the middle of the fucking equilibrium. Just shut up. No one's trying to hear all that shit, bro. Like, I swear to God, it pisses me off because people overcomplicate this. Like it's useless. Like you don't need to overcomplicate this bullshit. Like why are you overcomplicating it? You know, like it doesn't make sense. It doesn't.
Off of that explanation.
It does not whatsoever.
You realize that the past 3 days we've
It
done
pisses me
executed
off.
the exact same way every single time. We find the high time frame, draw liquidity or imbalance. We find the low resistance, liquidity or imbalances, and we just play off of those. If we go into the high time frame, liquidity or
100%.
imbalance, we're going to need a 5 minute or 15 minute retrace in order to execute on 1 minute. If we go into the low resistance, liquidity or imbalance, we're executing on the 1 minute. Just like how with it here, we sweep out the low resistance liquidity first, and then boom, bang bang, niner gang, bang bang bang, sniper gang. Boom.
See this sweep? Boom, higher towards whatever the high time frame. You know, okay, quick tip, right? For example, right? Let's say over here, you see all these short-term highs over here. So this is basically basically like the highest short-term high you can find over here, right? So this short-term high is actually an internal term high on a lower time frame. So let's say, for example, on the 4-hour, we have this short-term high over here, right? This fucking manipulation wick or whatever. Let's go to a 15-minute. You can see that this is literally just the draw on liquidity on the lower time frame. What am I looking at? Right here, as you can see. So if you use this fair value gap and you could take a gamble trade low key, and then you could like fucking long the market all the way from here, and then just like put your TP like all the way up here. Like I'm literally talking about this fucking order block right here. It's a 1 to 5, but it's a bit like gambling. I'm gonna keep it a buck. You see this imbalance, price imbalance over here? I could at least take it up to this point. Like, you know, up to this point, which is a little above. And it makes sense because this is exactly the point where the inverse fair value gap is going to short the market. Look, it's above the buy side liquidity draw, and this is going to be the sweep. So it's going to go up to this point to sweep. So now we have an exact idea as to where price will be sweeping, because that fair value gap is unmitigated. It's not wicked into. So it could be used. That's perfect. You literally have the textbook definition as to where the market will retrace back to, and what it will exactly use as an inverse fair value gap. This is textbook right here. You could use this. You could use this. Of course, we use the weekly and daily bullish bias. As you can see right here, we have the bullish bias right here. We have this fair value gap. It's going to basically like manipulate these highs and then pull back towards this right here. At most, it's going to pull back here. And we have this daily bearish bias on the daily, because it's in fact sweeping liquidity. We had this manipulation, so I'm expecting price to drop, right? Expecting price to drop, but we have a weekly bullish bias. So let me just note this down, okay? Weekly bullish weekly bias and bearish daily bias and 4-hour. Let's see what's going on in the 4-hour. Where is this text? Okay, there we go. So you can see this is the let me zoom in real quick. Hold up. All right, so you can see that this is the sweep, as you can see. So what I'm expecting price to do is use this fucking inverse fair value gap right here, and then go lower. So it's gonna use this 50% of the fair value gap to go lower. Let me put the middle line real quick. So you see this right here. So we're gonna short this market all the way down towards this fair value gap. So it's gonna balance out this fair value gap over here, which lines in perfectly, as you can see. So this is basically the 4-hour fair value gap, and this is the 4-hour fair value gap once again. And so we will in fact short this once we have a confirmation. So I'm expecting price to first take out this, right? I'm expecting price to first take out this, because this is a fair value gap that needs to be inversed. So it's going to take out this final fair value gap, and it's going to retrace. It's going to short, right? It's going to short. Price is going to short all the way from here, right here, right? Right here, maybe a little higher. And then it's going to, basically, because this is going to be an inducement zone at this point, because it's going to sweep as much liquidity as possible up to this point, and then it's going to short all the way towards this. That's right. But do we take this all at once? No. We'll take individual trades from this point, right? This point, and boom, TP. We have a 1 to 5, and at most we have a 1 to 4.4. So I wouldn't go for anything that's above a 4.5 at most, right? Anything above a 4.5 is gambling. Okay, we stick to 4.5 is like the max. Anything that looks like at 1 to 10 swear to God. My mic was bugging all this time. I swear to God. Anyways, let me re-explain what I was saying. I don't know for how long this shit was bugged, but basically right here, bullish weekly bias. Okay, we have a bullish weekly bias. We swept this low, as you can see. We swept this low on the weekly. Then we have the distribution like right after. We have the daily. Okay, so we see this. This is the weekly draw, and we have this daily. On the daily, we see this high, this short-term high being swept. So we have this manipulation right after, and we're expecting distribution to the lower and rebalance price at this fair value gap, at this exact fair value gap. So this is the 4-hour fair value gap, but we have the 1-day ranging up to this point. We'll tap back into it and then we go higher from there. So I'm expecting momentum just like this. You tap back into this fair value gap, which is exactly at the daily point right here. Maybe retrace all the way towards this, the somewhere in between, and then go higher towards this right here, parallel to this. Sweep a bit of liquidity and then go lower. Anyways, that's besides the point. Basically, you can see that this is the inverse fair value gap. So we'll be shorting from this inverse fair value gap all the way towards this point because it's going to balance the price, right? It's going to balance this price. Okay, so what it's kind of in line with this candle right here. This is the supply level, this order block right here. This was retested, as you can see. You see this? This was a retest. So I'm expecting price now to use this inverse fair value gap because it took out the highs and it's a manipulation leg. So we're going to expect price to go lower. But before it goes lower, it needs to take out as much liquidity from the market and then go lower, right? This, I'm expecting the manipulation right at this unmitigated inverse fair value gap. Tap into this, right? We have the market maker buy model right here, sell side, buy side of the curve. And then we have this right here. This is the inverse fair value gap. This is exactly where we TP, 3.45. Okay. That's if we did entry over here though. So if it pulls back, then I would entry to go higher. But if it doesn't, then I'd just let go of the trade. But this right here is still on the line. This is still on the line. See that right there? This is on the line. 4.4. So you can see that this is the stop loss. This point. And then we have this as our TP. This point as our TP right here. So it's basically where the order block is. This point right here. We have the manipulation. That's basically where the order block is. So I'm trying to short this all the way towards this fair value gap. And we have a 1.4.1 to 4.35. So I'm not trying to long this. See, this is already, we've already missed our entry at this point. So it's gonna follow this momentum. It's gonna do this basically. It's gonna do this. If it comes back, then I will long this towards this inverse fair value gap, which is unmitigated. So there's a high likelihood it's gonna be a good inverse fair value gap, right? High probability. So it makes sense because it's gonna sweep liquidity up to this point and then use this inverse fair value gap. It's perfectly in line. Look at that. It's perfectly in line. So it's gonna play out like that. And even US 100 is basically Dow Jones is literally saying that this is going to go towards the buy side liquidity draw. It's pretty simple. It's like textbook definition, okay. And yeah, basically we'll short the market 4.3, 1 to 4.3, and we'll expect price to hit this, at least this target right here, 1 to 5.6. I would TP like somewhere here, 1 to 4, and I will get out. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like I don't want to like hold the trade for too long either, because 1 to 4 is already like, you're basically stretching it when you're going for 1 to 4. Because this is right above. It's not like all the way to 1. It's at like a perfect 71% in a shorting scenario. So yeah, it makes sense. Anyways, guys, that's basically what I have for today. Tomorrow we're gonna take this trade because tomorrow's gonna be pretty staticky though. So that's gonna be, we might take this maybe day after tomorrow because that's gonna take a while to like come down as well. So it's gonna, I'd rather take the shorting scenario than like the longing scenario because we had a pretty extreme price zone. As you can see, we're rejecting price right now, and we're gonna expect price to sort of be rebalanced before it goes higher, even though this is the extreme peak. But again, that's assuming that price will in fact pull back. Imagine it just uses this as support and just keeps going higher. Unlikely. Maybe it will use this as support and then go towards this draw. In that case, we could hold this like until like this point, and then like expect a retracement sweep and then go lower. Either way, it's gonna be like, that's just basically like more ratio for us. It's like more ratio for us like overall, because we can short from here and like take all this capitalize on, let's say the swing high is here, let's say the short, look, it's a 1 to 4.85, I'd say the swing high was like here, 107. That's a pretty unrealistic scenario. So in that case, I wouldn't short all the way. I would short up to like this point. Anyways, guys, that's basically where I'm going to. I cannot like do like I shouldn't be on the chart so much. I swear to God, like it's fucking up with my psychology or whatever.
Straight up into the high time frame. Liquidity or imbalance.
See?
Same thing here. High time
What the fuck just happened?
frame liquidity imbalance gets hit. 5-minute retrace. Execution. 1 minute. Bang bang. Minor gain. Liquidity or imbalance. Same thing here. High time frame liquidity imbalance gets hit. 5-minute retrace. Execution. 1 minute. Bang bang. Minor gain. What next? What are they gonna say? Nothing. Because I just put you guys on crazy game. Wasn't even supposed to trade today. Didn't even want to trade, but I did, and I made a shit ton of bread. Welcome to the winning team. Also, mastermind closes in like 1 single day. I know I've been saying this like the past couple vlogs, but I'm pretty sure, or actually no, I know I've said this the past couple times, but I'm almost 90% sure that the mastermind is closed. But if you guys want crazy free game like this, hit the link in the description. Mastermind, y'all will get tapped the fucking. Anyways, appreciate y'all boys. I love and appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
I'm gonna follow him on Kick. Because this guy knows what he's talking about. Can I subscribe? Oh, it's like $5. It's like $5 a month. Kingpin. I've heard of that name. Not too sure who that is, but I've heard of that name sometimes. This is my whole life right here. I never streamed on Kick though. People seem to be streaming on this. What the fuck is that? I mean, listen to Broski's like Arab stream. Let's see if we can comprehend what he's saying. Will I lose my shit?
شف
تهتم يا سيد؟ نقاط
والله
الخمسة ولا
ما
ما
والله ما اهتم
والله
يعني مو فالح الا الصياح المنغولي
تبنت بمتي بسببك.
لا لا يعقب تبنت قلت له السبب قال لي يلا ندي
انا تبنت بمتي بسببك.
What is bro saying?
هم بيرب
يا رجال
سحب عليك.
ذا ما هو متفاعل.
What is bro saying?
والله يعني قاعد يكافح قاعد العب على 80 فريم اعوذ بالله عن ام القرف.
لعب سوني اصرف لك.
I have no idea what he's saying.
يلا
but,
مشينا.
Good for him, I guess.
To bigana může říct? Bana, že neber, třeba skvělý.
Jo, všem poda. Mám 4 víčka, 3 bigy
Máš místo?
13 jo.
Okay.
What language is that?
Metky si dej. Navíc tady.
A.
A letíme na ten, no. Na bunker. Který se snad spawne. Jdu se napít, hned jsem back, taky bys se měl napít.
Did you just say
Úplně teď nejdeš
penis?
mčet, napít to slavně.
I think he said
To
penis.
neskapu.
It's kind of skibidi low key. He was playing FNCS or some shit. This is the worst skin to be locking in fucking FNCS, I'm gonna keep it buck.
Byl jsem si půlku vody vybil, teda vylil. Na nohu, takže budu muset doplnit vodičku taky. Tobe, je to napsaný dole. Pod Steamem.
Okay, whatever. As long. Duels FNCS Cup. Side Chick Sunday, that's crazy. Side Chick Sunday is wild. No way.
These scandalous hoes trying to take what I got, man. About to get violent, hot like the climate. On that motherfucking water like a pirate. Why must I get treated like a tyrant?
Okay, that's interesting, I guess.
Bullish candlestick closed after.
I'll watch this like 3 times today. Fuck no. I just gotta like fucking strategize and just like lock in on just strategies. If you know what I mean. Like I don't wanna like fucking do this and that and this and that. Just keep fucking fluctuating around. Yep. What the fuck? Yep, there we have it. Okay, so let me refer to my notes real quick.
And that is market structure. Now, this is the most frequent comment that I receive on my videos. Can you please make a video specifically about market structure? Well, the truth is, in every single video I make, I include market structure. That's the main part of the strategy. So you guys really need to pay closer attention to the videos that I produce because literally every single trade example starts with market structure. But I'm gonna try and break it down in this.
Got a neck pain, that's why I'm sitting like this. I gotta fucking lock in for this video. Oh fuck. It's all good. I gotta get these in, do you feel me?
This video in a simplified manner that everybody can understand.
See this fair value gap? It's like tap back into this fucking fair value gap.
So to do that, we're going to take a look at Euro USD to start off. Now I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame, and with that being said, I want to start by saying the higher time frame that you're on, the easier it's going to be to understand market structure. On the 4-hour time frame, the highs and lows that are printed on the chart are going to be a lot easier to interpret compared to the highs and lows on a 5-minute time frame. This is simply because on a higher time frame such as the 4-hour or the daily, you are simply seeing more consolidated data. When you're on a 5-minute or 1-minute time frame, you're going to see much more zoomed in data. So there's a lot more, I would say, insignificant highs and lows that shouldn't really be paid attention to, but they can definitely trick you into going in the wrong direction when you're focused on those smaller time frames.
Exactly.
Now before I get into the structure,
yeah, this is correct because everything on the 4-hour is like every high or low on the 4-hour is basically like all this is basically short-term highs. Those are inter-term highs in a lower time frame. For example, let's say this concept is like something that I try to digest every single day. See, this is a drawn liquidity, as you can see. You're drawn liquidity. What? This is a what? Drawn liquidity. If we highlight this swing low, right? As much as we're using it as like a key point of interest. If you go to the lower time frame, as you can see, there's a drawn liquidity. Oops, what did I just do? Why was this? My bad. So this is a drawn liquidity. So ultimately, eventually, it's gonna pull up down here. It's gonna sweep and then go higher. So either that, or it will rebalance this fair value gap because this is aligning with the context overall. So it's gonna use this inverse fair value gap to go lower and use this, come back through this area because we have this huge fair value gap on the 4-hour. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is like a 1-day fair value gap as well. Yeah, see that? This is like a 1-day fair value gap. So, yeah. Right now, took the shittiest trade on fucking Bitcoin against USDT, but, yeah, let's get back on track.
In front of you.
Let me see if I can sort of,
into going in the wrong direction.
There we go. Alright, so you can see this fucking fair value gap. This is like sort of mitigated at this point, but it basically comes back, taps into the fair value gap, and then goes higher towards the drawn liquidity over here.
When you focus on those smaller time frames. Now, before I get into the structure on the chart that you're seeing in front of you, I want to mention that the little black arrows on my chart are indicating the major highs and lows within price. And this is one of the built-in features of the currency growth indicator, which is exclusive for our members only. But you can get a free version of this on TradingView if you just type in features of the currency growth indicator, which is exclusive for our members only. But you can get a free version of this on black arrows on my chart are indicating the major highs and lows within price. And this is one of the built-in features of the currency growth indicator, which is exclusive for our members only. But you can get focused on those smaller time frames. Now, before I get into the structure on the chart that you're seeing in front of you, I want to mention that the little black arrows on my chart are indicating the major highs and lows within price. And this is one of the built-in features of the currency growth indicator, which is exclusive for our members only. But you can get a free version of this on TradingView if you just type in fractals indicator. And basically what that will do is show you the main pivot points in price. And you can, of course, here. And basically what that'll do is show this on TradingView indicator, which is exclusive for our members only. But you can get a free.
Got a fucking headache, low key. God damn. Oh my gosh, it hurts about my fucking eyebrows, bro. Oh fuck, that's like a migraine at that point. Oh goddamn. Fucking staring at this screen for 16 hours a day. Practically every single day, so.
Free version of this on TradingView if you just type in fractals indicator. And basically what that'll do is show you the main pivot points in price. And you can of course...
If I go fucking blind, bro. I mean, no offense to blind people. If I go blind, the first thing I want to do is fucking kill myself. Just like, you know. Oh, in GTA, obviously. In GTA. So I won't get banned. And lose my last bit of sanity because, you know. Out here grinding every single night, man. Out here doing me, yes sir. Out here doing me, man.
Just adjust the sensitivity of these indicators, and it'll either show you the most extreme highs and lows, or it'll show you those combined with all the intermediate highs and lows as well. Now, typically, I prefer to just focus on the extremes in price. So I like to focus on the extreme highs and lows. For example, this swing low here, and this swing high here.
Yeah, low-key, if I have indicators, like, I don't really need to, like,
those are major highs and lows.
It's easier.
Because they're the extreme
My neck, Jesus.
of this bullish range. So I wouldn't be considering something like this or something like this. Those types of structure points don't matter to me. I'm more focused on the overall range, okay? So using Euro USD as an example, I'm going to highlight some of the bullish ranges here so we can focus on what's really important. So there's two.
Alright, so we see the sweep, of course. It balances price out by going back to this fair value gap and then continues. Fills out the trip and then goes. You fill out the trip, you basically reverse a little bit just to fill up the trip, but that doesn't mean like you're, you know, overall reversing your trip. Because you gotta go back because you've missed the fucking pit stop, right? Because you're supposed to be on gas, equally balancing out the vehicle. So now you gotta go back to pit stop, fill the fucking tank, and then go higher. I mean, go in the direction that you were supposed to, so you're basically reversing back. Refuel the market. This is basically seek, destroy with the manipulation. Fair value gap, taps back, boom, higher.
Two main bullish ranges there.
That is basically how the market works. Internal range to external range, simple as that. But it's not simple as that, obviously, but you get the point.
And then a third one that was created just recently right here. So those are the main ranges in this bullish trend that we're currently experiencing on Euro USD.
Yeah, exactly. So we have this. You see this? It's using this. This is like auto flow right here. So you can see this breaking structure. You can see that this is fucking using this as a auto flow. As you can see, it forms that. Keeps going, keeps going. And we have this right there. Rebalances price towards this fair value gap. Creates auto flow. Confirmation that the price is going higher. Let me mark this down for anyone who's got like, I don't know, testicular wrestling or some shit. I don't know fucking sort of diseases you have, but basically right here you can see that this is basically the fair value gap, this part of the fair value gap, and this part of the fair value gap. You fucking go up, tap back, you see this manipulation right here, right? This fucking manipulation right here, and then you go higher. So you rebalance price, and then you go higher, higher. You see this fucking fair value gap being rebalanced? Yeah, there we go. So we see this sweep right here. We see this manipulation. Alright. You see this distribution right after. Look. See this distribution like right after. Distributes towards this. What is this? Buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve. This is the distribution, in other words. Market make buy model. You don't want to consider both sides, but just to keep things simple, it sweeps this liquidity, right? Manipulation once again, distributes back towards this, rebalances price at the fair value gap, and then goes higher from there. Again, once again, rebalances, and then keeps going in the direction that it's supposed to, probably to a higher time frame. PDRA like a draw on liquidity. Yes sir, swing high, a swing point. Okay, great. It's basically a short term high, the next short term high on a higher time frame, like a 4 hour. I hope that's clear. Alright. Of course we have sessions and all that bullcrap, but you get the point.
Anything that happens in between those moves is fairly insignificant. And whenever a new range is created here, we're seeing a close trend that we're currently experiencing on Euro USD. Anything that happens in between those moves is fairly insignificant. And whenever a new range is created here, we're seeing a clear break we're currently experiencing on Euro USD. Anything that happens in between those moves is fairly insignificant. And whenever a new range is created here, we're seeing a clear break of structure from the last range, right? There's a break of structure there and a very clear break of structure here. So that's when a new range is being created. And at the current price, we can see that that's about to happen once more. It's still a little bit early to tell, but as of now, that high has been violated on Euro USD. What would make it a clear break of structure to the upside is if we have candle body closure above it. So honestly, this is the main way that I look at price charts. I look at the ranges and the current direction of trend. Now, let me clear all the drawing tools, and I want to draw your attention to all the intermediate intermediate highs and lows in between those ranges. Now, those to me, I don't pay much attention to because again, I'm focused on the actual range. So using this first range, for example, the bullish range from this new bullish range. And the way my strategy works is that once a range like that is created, I'm in a violated range. I'm going to draw your attention to all the intermediate highs and lows in between those ranges. Now, those to me, trend. Now, let me clear all the drawing tools. And I want to draw your attention to all the intermediate highs and lows in between those ranges. Now, those to me, I don't pay much attention to because again, I'm focused on the actual range. So using this first range, for example, it highs and lows in the ranges and the current direction of trend. Now, let me clear all the drawing
Yes, I get
tools.
It's a consolidating phase. Let's get it over with.
And I want to draw your attention to all the intermediate highs and lows in between those ranges. Now, those to me, I don't pay much attention to because again, I'm focused on the actual range. So using this first range, for example, the bullish range from this low down here to this high, that was a clear impulsive move to the upside that violated all the previous structure.
Coincidence? Nope.
Back here.
Coincidence? Nope. It's just creating a order flow. Proving that the market is bullish, rebounds the price, and going in the direction that it's supposed to. So
all I'm focused on now is this new bullish range. And the way my strategy works is that once a range like that is created, I'm anticipating a retracement to the downside so I can enter somewhere within discount and then ride that trend to the upside. Now, with that being said, on this bullish range specifically, I wouldn't have gotten a retracement there because I like to use pretty deep retracements using the Fibonacci tool, and I typically enter at the 71%. So as you can see, the price didn't make it down to the 71%. Instead, it kind of bottomed out here.
this whole idea of Fibonacci's, except for discount and premium, is like kind of bullshit. I'm gonna keep it a buck. 71%, yes, but I don't know. It's the market's random probability. Yes, there are chances that it will come back to these ranges, but what are the odds of, like, of course you would find opportunities, you know, when price comes to this level and then you take the fucking short and then you go higher to the fucking moon. But what are the odds of that shit happening? Like, in every 10 trades that you could have been profitable, you only take like 3 out of them because your fucking 71% is not met. Who says who? Who the fuck says that?
And then push higher. But here's the thing, and this is where most people get confused. As price pushed higher and broke through this high right here, that creates a break of structure, and we now have a new range to consider. So let's delete that first range and then focus on this one here. Now, this part is a bit subjective. You could draw it all the way down here as you.
Why? No, because we tapped here. Oh yeah, that you could. This is a swing though. I'm tweaking.
Your bullish range, and technically that would be valid, but I like to draw it from where the impulsive move happened, and that would be from this low all the way to this high. Now, just to clarify, this new bullish range that was created here broke through previous market structure. It broke through that massive swing high that was printed before in the initial range. So this is now a break of structure, and that means I can now pretty much disregard everything that happened prior to this, okay? Because we're in a new bullish range now. So what do there? I drag the Fibonacci tool from the low to the high, and I look for a retracement entry. Now this one actually hit the 71% very nicely. As you can see, I'll just place the parameters here. Stop loss at the low, take profit at the high, and let me just move that over. And
it's 2.4. That's a pretty good trade though.
You can see that it got triggered beautifully and hit the intended target. It actually went way beyond that intended target. But this is basically how I look at market structure. And now let's clear all the drawing tools again. After that impulsive move here happened, we broke through the previous market structure right here. So this was the swing high, this was the swing low, price retraced, made a higher low, and then pushed through the previous high right here. So that's
so you basically disregard the rest of the fucking structure once a order flow leg or fair value area is created. Simple as that.
Creating a new range to trade from. So I'm going to use the rectangle tool again and drag it from this swing low all the way to the extreme high that was just created, which was up here. Now let's delete this rectangle box for a second, and I want to explain what would have happened.
My mic might be tweaking because I'm fucking with this fucking wire. I gotta stop doing that shit. Playing around like a little child.
And drag it, push through the previous high right here. So that's now creating a new range to trade from. So I'm going to use basically how I look at market structure. And now let's clear all the drawing tools again. After that impulsive move here happened, we broke through the previous market structure right here. So this was the swing high, this was the swing low, price retraced, made a higher low.
Okay.
And then push through the previous high right here. So that's now creating a new range to trade from. So I'm going to use the rectangle tool again and drag it from this swing low all the way to the extreme high that was just created, which was up here. Now let's delete this rectangle box for a second, and I want to explain what would have happened if price didn't push to the upside and actually continued melting to the downside and violated this low. Well, that would have been a break of structure to the downside. Now, when a break of structure to the downside occurs in a bullish trend, that is signaling a potential reversal. So if that happened, let me just draw it out for you. If we saw it push to the downside, then we'd be looking at this as a bearish range. I'll use the replay tool for a second so we can really focus on this. If that happened instead, if price continued pushing to the downside, this would be a new bearish range that I'd be considering because there would have been a break of structure that occurred right here. Of course, the first break of structure is a little bit risky because it could be simply a liquidity grab. It's always safer to enter a continuation trade once at least 2 breaks of structure have occurred, and you'd be looking at something like this. So you'd see a retracement back to the upside, a new break of structure again, and then a new retracement. So there'd be a break of structure here, and you would enter upon that retracement. And if your order gets triggered in, you'd be, of course, anticipating price to continue to the downside once more, and you'd be taking advantage of that newly created bearish trend. So that's just an example of what would happen if that structural low here failed. But let's remove the drawing tools and take off replay mode, and of course, you can see that instead of breaking that low, price printed a higher low. And a higher low means it's just simply higher than this one here. So this low held strong, and when price was retracing, it did not have enough strength to actually and a high end. So that's just an example of what would happen if that structural low here failed. But let's remove the drawing tools and take off replay mode. And of course, you can see that instead of breaking that low, price printed a, and if your order gets triggered in, you
problem with my hand. I got like an itching problem. I don't know. It's weird. I think. Yep.
Second, so we can really focus on this. If that happened instead, if price continued pushing to the downside, this would be a new bearish range that I'd be considering, because there would have been a break of structure that occurred right here. Of course, the first break of structure is a little bit risky because it could be simply a liquidity grab. It's always safer to enter a continuation trade once at least 2 breaks of structure have occurred, and you'd be looking at something like this. So you'd see a retracement back to the upside, a new break of structure again, and then a new retracement. So there'd be a break of structure here, and you would enter upon that retracement. And if your order gets triggered in, you'd be, of course, anticipating price to continue to the downside once more, and you'd be taking advantage of that newly created bearish trend. So that's just an example of what would happen if that structural low here failed. But let's remove the drawing tools and take off replay mode. And of course, you can see that instead of breaking that low, price printed a higher low. And a higher low means it's just simply higher than this one here. So this low held strong, and when price was retracing, it did not have enough strength to actually surpass that low and create a new low. Instead, it pushed higher, breaking through this high. So we're clearly still in a bullish market here. Now, let's take a look at current price right up here. And I want to explain another scenario where a lot of people get confused because it's happening right now. As I previously explained, the current range is from these swing points here, this extreme swing low, all the way to this extreme swing high. However, if you look to the right, you can see that this big bullish candle is currently violating that structure. This could mean that price is about to create a new range. So let's draw that out and see what that would look like. If price continues higher, this would be a clear break of structure. And that would mean that we can disregard everything that happened prior to that, because we now be looking at a new bullish range, which would look something like this. Now let's delete the previous box. And if this new range is successfully created, I would be looking for a retracement back to the downside and then a continuation to go long once again. I would use my Fibonacci tool to map out where the
Yeah, so a break structure would go higher, sweep the fucking liquidity, rebalance the price range by tapping back into the fair value gap, and then go higher. Can't speak. Why can't I speak? It's because I got the fucking dog in me, bro. It's because I need Zans, I need pills, I need Molly on. Let me call Dinette real quick. Let me see if my boy is up. Not me. See if he's up right now. See if my boy Dinette is up right now. I don't think my boy Dinette is about to pick up. Cause he's probably sleeping low key. Cause it's Sunday, makes sense. I didn't call him last night because I was busy. Then this fucking stream. I don't know, man. I called TZ real quick. See if TZ's up. Alright, I don't got nobody at this point in time. But in general, I don't really got nobody like that. So yeah, I'm just chilling, just trying to fucking talk to some of my friends. If they're up at this time, this fucking weird hour where I am up for some reason. You know? Oh man. Yep, indeed. Let me see if there's let me see if there's well, I gotta fucking find like a supervisor or some shit for like my final year project. Oh wait, I gotta hold up. I have an idea. I have a great idea. Hold up. I have a proper idea. Trust me. Watch this. Where the fuck is Where is my contact? I just found it like 5 minutes ago, and now it's gone. It was literally right here. I was just looking at it, and now I can't see it for some reason, and it's kind of fucking pissing me off. So, yeah, yep. Hold up, let me see if I can get this on. I can't, man. Fuck. Where the fuck is? Oh, I got it. I fucking got it. Oh, fucking headache, bro. I'm about to die. I'm just kidding. I wish. Where the fuck is this one contact that I'm trying to fucking find? I'm looking for this one contact and I can't find it for some reason. So it's kind of pissing me off a little bit about. But I could give less of a fuck. You know what I mean? I could give less of a fuck. Cause I don't know, man. Oh my god, I got fucking too much hair, bro. Too much hair, bro. I don't even got friends like that, goddamn. I'm gonna keep it a stack with y'all. I don't even give a fuck, but it kind of sucks in the middle of the night when you ain't got nobody. All my friends are just people that exist for like 2 months in my life. And the real friends of mine are fucking busy, so sometimes I don't got nobody to talk to, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just looking through my Discord contacts right now and you type shit, you know what I mean? Oh man. I just realized almost fucking September. That's wild. It's actually fucking wild. That's almost September and I've not achieved much in my life. That's kind of depressing, low-key, if you think about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna lock in. Try to become better at what I'm doing right now. What the fuck? Yo. Do you got a mic? Are you a bot? Are you a bot? Alright. I'm gonna join Black Boy Max's fucking public Discord what we see for a bit. Just to see what these people are up to. Let's see.
At the same time, what's it called?
Yo, what's good?
At the same time, it launches Roblox.
Yeah, we talking about random shit right now.
It looks like it doesn't look like they got ratted, or it doesn't look like they got their info grabbed, because it actually opens up the cheat.
Oh, they added my favorite card to this game? What the fuck? This is literally my real life card. This shit better hit. Let me turn it on.
What the fuck is that game?
Nigga, I don't know. This is some cuddle game on Roblox.
Alright. What the... Wasky, my son? Nah.
We got shot, got put in a center.
Yo, are you good?
Huh?
Are you good? What's up, bro?
Bro, on a mission. Bro, got shot, got put in a center. Look like shit now, he in the benches. Bro, on a mission. Bro, got shot, now he in the benches. Bro, got...
Well, Yo, try to cook on stream, bro.
You're streaming?
Nah, I'm not streaming.
Oh, but you're telling me to try and cook on stream.
Yes, sir.
Nah, cause my brother, he's making a beat in the background.
I bet.
I don't got that beat yet. I need that beat when he's done making it.
Yo, this is kind of fire. I'm trolling that shit's ass. Bro, what the fuck are you listening to, my guy? Why is it on like 200 volume, man? What the fuck is that PFP, bro? Don't be muting your shit. I got a problem with you, bro. Why are you listening to fucking Party Next Door on this shit on blast, bro? Why is this shit so fucking loud, bro? I got a problem with that. You ain't about to listen to this shit right here. I gotta stop being a fucking asshole, dude. I got Yao Benjamin. Paul Benjamin? No. I'm saying Frederick was this weird ass kid. This kid's fucking sharing his screen, but he's like not there. He's probably getting evacuated in the background. My bad. I just had to. Yo, I'm in a bit of a problem. Can this Uku? What the fuck is that? Whoa. Ukusnu.
What about him?
Yo, that's gotta be a fucking racial slur, bro.
What about him?
No. Hey, yo, what the fuck was that? Hold up. Oh my god. Yo, bro, is that your real voice? That shit's gotta be like pitched down like at least 5 beats.
Holy shit.
Whose?
Nah, that shit, you clickbaiting out here, bro.
Honestly, bro, how old do I sound? Like, real shit.
Whose voice? Who are you talking about, X?
I'm talking about myself. Oh,
nah.
he's talking about you. I'm talking about myself.
Yeah. Probably
What do you
like
mean?
16.
How do I change my voice? Like, what the fuck?
Ain't no way that's your voice, bro. God damn.
That ain't that, bro. That's a voice changer, bro.
Yeah, that is a voice
It's not a
changer.
voice changer, I swear. I promise you it's not.
Like, real shit, though. How old do I sound?
This
You
nigga
sound
metamorphosed
16,
into
bro.
a fucking human.
16, damn. Nigga was literally spot on.
Damn, is that now that I think about it, that's just kind of weird. The fact that I just like guessed that shit. Nah.
I don't know. It's probably something to do with my Discord's always been messed up. I probably have to change something in my voice and video. That's probably when my voice sounds weird.
Yo, that is what?
I don't know. I just voice tested my shit and I sound fine. I don't sound like I got a voice changer or none.
Just this nigga voice, he metamorphosed into a human. That nigga an alien for real.
Bro, like, no offense, but like, nah. I refuse to believe that that's like a normal voice, bro. I'm gonna keep it about. I'm gonna be like try and be like sound like this. Oh my god.
Nigga, if you wanna speak up. I'm watching a dude's screen, and then you're over here talking on like negative 16 decibels.
Oh, actually, let me turn this bitch down, because this shit is loud. I won't even.
I'm about to fucking leave, because I got a deep voice. Oh my god. Wasky, my son? That's just gotta be racist, I swear to god. Now, damn, it's the 26th of fucking August. Yippee, it's the 26th of fucking August. Another day closer to fucking graveyard. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's another day closer to the fucking graveyard, so Great, I guess. I'm not too sure what else to really say. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But it's fucking. Yo, I'm trying to like DM my plug. What the fuck? I just reposted. You see, my friend, he posted this shit. I got fucking God, bro. My friend, right? My fucking boo mom just like fucking. It didn't snap off, but it just like there was this thing where it's like so fucking inconsistent. This is some cheap ass like boo mom. I swear to God, and just like keeps coming out for some reason. Probably because I keep changing the fucking direction and shit. But basically, right? Alright. So I was like, I see my friend, right? He posts shit like this on his story. Me going to uni be like, out here. On some shit. You know what I do? I just fucking repost that shit with no caption. So the people that see my shit are gonna be like, what the fuck is this guy on? I mean, most of the time I give people out the fucking impression that I'm on fucking proper Zans or Percocets or some shit. But now when I post shit like this, people think I'm fucking crazy. I'm not even kidding when I say that shit. People think that I'm fucking crazy when they see this shit. So I was like, you know what? I got me a fair deal, you know what I mean? But yeah, but what's that shit though? Like, god damn, I got a fucking migraine. I got a migraine. Fuck. Like my shit, my fucking eyebrow, right? That shit hurts. Ooh. That shit hurts. Like, oh man, fuck. I'm seeing all these fucking prop firm advertisements on my shit. 99% of the time, I see these prop firm advertisements on my shit. Like, it's just so fucking annoying because it just keeps popping up on my shit. And, like, I don't want to see that shit. You know what I mean? I'm about to come. You called, I'm trying to fucking burp in my mic. But, sorry, I just have to be disgusting like that. Fuck that. Fuck being ethical. Fuck being nice. Fuck being great. Fuck being this. Fuck being that. Fuck being bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. I just came home. Alright, you know, play a bit of Fort. I wanna just chill for a bit. Like, low key, I gotta go back to my like third round of dropshipping. This time, I'm gonna like, I can't be like, obviously, if I'm trying some fucking niche, I don't want someone else who's fucking watching my stream to be like copy the same shit. It's way different than fucking trading, right? Yo, what's good? Y'all don't do that here? Yo, I can't hear you guys. What the fuck? Are y'all speaking? Yo, speak up, bro.
What's up, my nigga?
You ain't black. I know that shit for a fact.
Stuff. Suck my dick, nigga. Who's not black, nigga? I'm monkey, nigga.
That makes me want to believe that you ain't black. I'm gonna give you the buck. You sound like you're a white boy
I don't give
who's
a
just
shit.
like, nah, you're probably Mexican. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's all
don't
good
give a
though. I
shit,
fuck
bro.
with Mexicans.
I don't care.
Nah, you Mexican as shit.
I'm Mexican. What about it?
What
about
my
it?
mother, you bugging? Shawty got up with a thug. Some New York shit, hey. You feel me? You? Nah, my bad. I'm tweaking. See. Bro, I just stepped foot in my room. How should I respond to this shit? You time it.
I made a song and it was an open verse. I need someone to rap on it.
What? Can you get your fucking mic out of your ass, bro? I can't hear shit. Cause you got your fucking mic up your
I made
asshole.
a song and I got an open verse. I need someone to rap on it.
Nah, I can't rap for shit. My shit sounds like, hey, suck on that dick. What the fuck? Nah, my bad. My shit just sounds fucking homosexual, bro. That shit's like ass. And I can't freestyle for shit. That shit's fucking double dookie. I'm gonna keep it a stack with you. Damn, son, where'd you find that?
Should
Hold
I
on.
send it to you? Try.
Send what?
The song. You can just freestyle on it.
No, I'm not. I told you, bro. I can't freestyle because I'm ass at the flow.
Bro, just try it, bro. Try that shit, bro. Just try it. It's easy as fuck.
See, this is why. See why I can't explain some shit to you, bro. Like, why you be doing that shit? The fuck was that?
Like, I'm trash too, bro. Like, look, I'm trash.
Yeah, but I'm fucking worse. I can't freestyle for shit. I'm fucking shit at this. I'm bad. I tweak like that sometimes. You feel me?
I sent it to you.
I bet. Hit me up. Hit me up on my Eddie. I'm a. What the fuck? What kind of fucking beat is this, bro? Alright, you ain't fucking Playboy Cuddy, bro. This shit is some ass boy Cuddy, I swear to God. I'm just keeping it a buck with you, alright? This shit is some ass boy Cuddy right here, bro.
Nah, bro. I'm not trying to copy him, bro. It's me. Like, I don't give a fuck about Cardi.
Someone tells me that you're fucking Indian or some shit. Hold up. Hold up.
We hit, though.
Hey, for that cat, time.
Are you hopping on this show or no?
Nah, I ain't hopping on that shit. Bye bye. This guy, bro. I can't stand this guy, bro. What is this fucking beat? I'm downloading his shit though. He's got that fucking Sonic. What kind of fucking double dookie is this? I'm gonna keep it back. What kind of fucking double dookie is this guy? Hey, yo, shawty on my lap. I got Zans on my attack. Got that fucky in the back. The fuck? How did it like? Did you just say RGB Lambos? Alright, so he's at RGB Lambos. That's crazy. He's got the fucking pride flag on that shit. That's crazy. He's got the fucking starter pack. The Christmas Santa Claus starter pack. He's got the fucking anthem song for that shit. Except if it's like Playboy Cardi on some like brain damage. That's what it sounds like. That literally sounds like a fucking. Shut the fuck up. Stupid it. He's probably gonna pull up here. Probably. I hope not. If you see this shit, your fucking song is trash. I'm just kidding. I make worse music, but your shit is trash. I'm keeping it a buck with you, alright? I'm keeping it a buck with you. Your shit is ass, my G. Ass. It's some double dookie. Alright? Quit the fucking. Alright, my bad. I don't know. I'm so angry, bro. Like, why the fuck am I so fucking mad on some like stupid shit? Like, it doesn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? But got that money on me. She hit me up on the IG. Range Rover got the Cadillac IC. Oh, fuck your mama. In the back of the whip, and I got it on my white tee. What the fuck? Nah, that shit is ass, bro. We ain't making it out of the hood with this one. We're fucking going back in the hood. In fact, we're going 7 feet beneath the fucking hood with that shit. That is some double dookie, bro. That is some double dookie, I swear to God. There's nobody else just like me, bro. Like, built like me, bro. Like, I'm just out here scrolling on fucking, like, I'm scrolling on fucking Instagram, and I'm making this fucking stream. So that's fucking crazy, because I have ADHD, and I can do 2 things in one, because I'm him, bro. Like, these motherfuckers, what fuck are they talking about? Fuck you talking about? The bad stupid dude. Oh my God. Bye, busy. Bye, busy. Bye. Fucking that big shit back. I'm gonna try to freestyle on this shit, low key. I'm gonna try to freestyle on this shit. Hold up. I got the reacts on me. Shawty want to say around. Hey, Shawty want to suck on it again. Yeah, she want my last name. She finna pass this for you. Bro, I can't. I got like a bust of energy. Okay, that shit sounds like I'm about to bust or some shit. But yeah, I got some fucking sands in my system. You feel me? I got a fucking energy. Fucking, I'm gonna like explode and like low key have like a fucking impulse of like dopamine for a while, and then just like go to zero. That's like literally what happens every Playboy ass, right? Ass boy Cuddy. It's some ass boy Cuddy type shit. Let me see if I can freestyle on this shitty ass beat. Where the fuck is his shitty ass beat? What is this on? E major? Alright, got you. How the fuck do I set it back? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Alright, bet. Got you. E major, E minor. For y'all, meow. Oh, yeah. Alright. I got it 10. Yeah. Let me put his ass Happy. Is there? Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Call me daddy, yeah, I'm hot, don't see nobody. Spray that money on me, I'm fuck you, bitch, in a Lambo. You the bitch got my name tattooed on the hood. I got red, green, blue, I got RGB Lambos. Spray that money on me, fuck you, bitch, in a Lambo. Fuck you, bitch, in a Lambo. Spray that money on me, I'm hot, don't see nobody.
This shit as it's full. I ain't cooking up this bitch and back up, baby. Yeah, he's up. Yeah, break it up. Get these and spit up, buddy. Buddy, done, fucking give me that. Get these hands on my face. I got nice stuff. So fuck did I just say? This shit as it's full. I ain't cooking up this bitch and back up, baby. Yeah, please up. Yeah, back it up. Get these and spit up, buddy. Buddy, done, fucking give me that. Get these hands on my face. I got nice stuff. Fuck did I just cook up? I ain't cooking up this bitch and back up, baby. Got this little hole, wait, oh, bitch up by the back of way up on my time. Got this little hole.
I don't see nobody.
Got this little hole, white, oh, bitch up by the back in that white rat tight rope. Yeah, what's it up? Yeah, 211. Yeah, got your bitch in the back. I was just fucking on me back. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Yeah, call that Glock in the back. I can't freestyle for shit. Oh, wait, bitch, I'm at the back. This is so ass, bro. Yeah, what's it up? Yeah, 211. Yeah, got your bitch in the back. Now she's sucking on me right. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Yeah, call that Glock in the back in the white rat tight rope. Yeah, what's it up? Yeah, 211.
Oh, hang on. On me, I'm hot, don't see nobody.
Oh my god, I'm trying to fuck your bitch, fucking her. Got a cookie on my back, talking back. Buddy, talking back, cause I got Sonic Spur. Buddy, fucking on my lip, I got Sonic Spur. Body on my system, I just saw it fucking hot. Hey, I get Sonic This time I just saw it fucking hot. I just be Sonic Spur, cause I love you now. Oh my god, I am trying to be your best man. Oh my god. Fucking man. Yeah, jumping up. I'm switching into a bitch that could write it down.
What the fuck? The fuck did we just spook on, bro? It's just some ass. Ass beat.
On my back, talking back. Buddy, talking back, cause I got Sonic Spur. Buddy, on my back, I got Sonic Spur.
This shit is ass. Get this shit out of here. This is some fucking ass. Get it out of here. I can't believe that I just freestyle on the worst beat in the world and I managed to cook up some ass that's ass than the ass. That's crazy. That doesn't even make sense. I can't comprehend that shit in my head. Like it genuinely doesn't make any sense. Like let me try to do some Travis Scott type shit. Travis Scott like rap beat. Like some boogie type shit. Boogie on the hoodie. If you need hey baby, either. Let's see what this sounds like. Mistake, guys, mistake. Alright. You've been coming around. Coming around. Fucking up my system. And my I can't pretend that I don't count. And I don't know what to explain. It doesn't even make sense. I never so much ecstasy. And now I can't even feel it. Maybe I don't want to be alone. I can't pretend that I'm fine. 'Cause you're not around. And I can't. All the times I have so obsessed. So much fun. Nah, she's out. So I can't. You're not around. And I don't care. 'Cause I don't care. To feel the time that I just wanna be around if it in my system and I'm mind's full. Cause I'm trying to drown. Cause it feels so hard. Oh baby girl, time and time again I feel like you are my friend. It's been so much ecstasy. It feels like I've been wanting another thing. It feels so hard to ecstasy. I never felt this is just a feeling of a place to stay. I can't that you don't even pretend to me this ecstasy. No. Yeah. You pretend to me that you're not. You pretend to me that you're not ecstasy inside of me. My brain, what the fuck is the ecstasy inside of me, and I can't pretend the feeling I have. 'Cause I feel so that you don't even miss. That shit was bad. I can't lie to you as I am fine for you. I'm dying for you forever. I can't lie you. It was too close. So much more this ecstasy. Yeah, you pretend to me that you're my one and only ecstasy inside of me, and I can't pretend the feeling I have. But you baby now, 'cause I feel so hurt when you don't come. I can feel the you've been coming around, coming around, fucking up my system and my head. This shit was like my first. This shit was like my first take, but raw. But it doesn't even make no sense. I have so much ecstasy, and now I can't even feel it. Maybe I don't wanna even lie. I can't pretend that I'm fine, 'cause you're not around, and I don't care, 'cause I don't care to pretend that I just wanna be around it, 'cause I've got so much ecstasy in my system, and I'm high as fuck. Up all night, 'cause I'm trying to drown, 'cause it feels so hard to not have you around, baby girl. This is ass. I can, I feel like you are my friend, and that's why I got so much ecstasy. It feels like I'm so alive in my system. So ecstasy, I can't pretend that this is just a feeling.
Now let me try that right.
I can't tell you, tell me, I can't tell this chill time again. So much ecstasy, now let me try it right. You can fucking I can't even. So much ecstasy when you're next to me. Ooh. So much ecstasy when you're next to me. Feels like my mind is going up and down every time. Feels like my heart keeps going up and down every time you come. Every time you come. Heart keeps going up and down
this real? Cause I feel like I'm just building heaven inside of me. When you're next to me, it feels like a fever dream. When you're next to me, I feel so much ecstasy in my heart. It's like a fever dream. When you're next to me, I feel so much ecstasy in my heart. Ecstasy, when you know it's this real. Cause I feel like I'm just
all of us so
ecstasy inside of me. When you're next to me, it feels like a fever dream. When you're next to me, I feel so much ecstasy in my heart. Inside of my, it's like a fever when you're next to me. When you're next to me, fever dream. When you're next to me. It feels like a fever dream when you're next to me. Feels like good, you give me ecstasy when you're next to me. Feels like a fever dream. It feels like a fever dream. Without you, next to me, it feels like a fever dream. And I can't pretend that you're everything to me. Everything, every night I feel right without you. So fucking high, so girl, you give me ecstasy when you're next to me. It feels like a fever dream. And I can't pretend that you're feels like a fever dream. And I can't pretend this to me.
Nah, she was there.
ecstasy. When you're next to me, it feels like a fever dream. And I can't pretend you're my everything. Cause I know deep down you don't like the way I live. And I know that you're friends with him.
Oh, that's just feel like I'm butter. Feel like I'm a butterfly. Let me see how it sounds like. Feels like a fever dream, and I can't pretend that you are, 'cause you are. To find ecstasy inside of me. But you even care when I'm down. Up around. It was not bad though. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. I'm gonna go sleep a bit. And yeah, that was a fun little few